Maternity fashion is a topic that often gets overlooked in the world of style and fashion. Many women struggle to find clothing that is both comfortable and stylish during their pregnancy. However, with the right tips and tricks, it is possible to dress your bump with style and confidence. One of the first things to consider when shopping for maternity clothing is the fit. It is important to find clothing that is specifically designed for pregnant women, as regular clothing may not accommodate a growing bump. Look for pieces that have extra stretch or ruching to allow for your changing body shape. When it comes to tops, consider investing in a few basic pieces that can be mixed and matched with different bottoms. Flowy tops and tunics are great options for hiding a growing bump, while fitted tops can show off your shape. Empire waist tops are also a popular choice, as they cinch in just below the bust and flow out over the belly. For bottoms, maternity leggings are a must-have item for any pregnant woman. They are comfortable, stretchy, and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Maternity jeans with a stretchy waistband are also a great option for everyday wear. Skirts and dresses with an empire waist or A-line silhouette are flattering choices for showing off your bump. When it comes to dresses, maxi dresses are a popular choice for pregnant women. They are comfortable, stylish, and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Wrap dresses are also a great option, as they can be adjusted to accommodate a growing bump. Shift dresses are another versatile option that can be worn throughout your pregnancy. When shopping for maternity clothing, don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and colors. Just because you are pregnant doesn't mean you have to stick to boring, neutral colors. Embrace bold prints, bright colors, and trendy styles to show off your personal style. Accessories are another important aspect of maternity fashion. A statement necklace or scarf can draw attention away from your bump and add a pop of color to your outfit. Belts can also be a great way to define your waist and create a more flattering silhouette. When it comes to shoes, comfort is key during pregnancy. Opt for flats, sandals, or low heels to avoid putting too much pressure on your feet. Invest in a supportive pair of shoes that will keep you comfortable throughout the day. As your bump grows, don't be afraid to invest in a few key pieces that will see you through your entire pregnancy. A well-fitting maternity dress, a pair of maternity jeans, and a few basic tops can be mixed and matched to create a variety of stylish looks. Remember, maternity fashion is all about embracing your changing body and feeling confident in your own skin. Don't be afraid to show off your bump and experiment with different styles to find what works best for you. With the right tips and tricks, you can dress your bump with style and grace throughout your pregnancy.